what are your plans for the weekend?
I am thinking about going to the park.
That sounds fun. Can we take our picnic basket? I want to play football with my friends.
After the park, we can visit Grandma.
Yes, she will be very happy to see us.
Can we bake cookies in the evening?
Of course! We can bake chocolate cookies together.
On Sunday, can we watch a movie at home?
Yes, we will have a movie night with popcorn.
Shall we clean the house together on Saturday morning?
I will water the plants in the garden. I want to ride my bicycle in the evening.
Let's go grocery shopping for our picnic.
We should buy fresh fruits and juice.
Can we also buy ice cream?
On Sunday morning, we can go for a short drive.
I love listening to music during long drives. In the afternoon, we can read storybooks.
I will finish my homework before dinner.
After dinner, we can play board games.
We love spending weekends together.